Will and would are modal auxiliary verbs. Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary verb used to express various degrees of necessity, possibility, permission, ability, and requests in English. Let's know about them. Will is used to talk about things that will happen or things you plan to do in the future. Example, I will go to the park tomorrow. It's also used to make promises or express willingness to do something. Example, I will help you with your homework. Example, I will try my best to solve this puzzle. Would is often used to polite requests or asking for something in a gentle way. Example, would you please pass me the salt? It can also be used to talk about hypothetical situations or imaginary conditions. Example, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. Example, she would be a princess in her dream. Will is used for future actions, promises, and willingness, while would is often used for polite requests and talking about imaginary or hypothetical situations. Both words help you express yourself in English.
5 more examples for each will and would. I will visit my grandparents this weekend. She will help you with your math homework. Will you come to my birthday party? They will start the new project next month. The sun will rise in the east tomorrow. Would you please pass me the salt? If I had more time, I would read more books. He said he would call me after work. Would you like some tea or coffee? She would travel the world if she won the lottery.